I am back from Dierberg's. It's been 2 weeks since I went to Dierberg's. I was trying to last longer, but I really needed onions, so I basically just went for onions, and since I was going, I decided to stock up on some other miscellaneous, and so I ended up spending $235. Yeah, just for onions, but it's hopefully I won't go to the grocery store for like at least a month. I'm trying to go once a month, but it didn't work out last time. So anyway, sometimes if you've been watching my food haul videos, I do video while I'm in the store. I didn't today. It was restock day, so there was like a lot of employees in the aisles, a lot of boxes in the aisles, and I just didn't feel comfortable recording all the employees stocking the shelves. It was kind of hard to tell like what was, I also like to keep track of what is on short supply, what is running out. And I don't know, because they're restocking. So what was empty could be just because they're in the middle of restocking. So I don't know what shortages there are at the moment. I completely forgot to look at to see if they had the Campbell's soup. If you watched my last haul, you know that it's been very difficult to find Campbell's tomato soup. Other than that, everything has been plentiful. So let me start showing you what I got. I got some corn again. I got onions, of course. We use a lot of onions. I got peanut butter. It was on sale, so I got a couple jars. Orange juice for my husband. Another sugar. I bake a lot. I got soda. I do actually still have soda left over in my stockpile, but this soda was on sale. I ended up saving over $14 on the soda, so of course I had to buy it. It's not always on sale. And I also, I am noticing that there are shortages of soda. The soda was very depleted. There was no Mr. Pibb. There was only a couple Dr. Peppers, so definitely soda is starting to be a shortage. I got 2 things of salt. We love this teriyaki sauce, and so I used it a lot. Got some more. I needed some more wasabi sauce. I decided to try making egg drop soup myself, and my husband likes hot and sour. This is what we always get when we go to the Chinese restaurant, so we're going to see if we can make it ourselves, see if it's just as good as the restaurants. I needed some lemon juice for a recipe I'm going to do later. I like artichoke hearts. These were on sale. They're normally like $4.99 a jar, and these, I think they're trying to get rid of these. They were like 4 for $5. That is definitely the cheapest I've ever seen. And then I got 2 packs of pepperoni. Pepperoni is a thing that there is a shortage of pepperoni. There's one other brand of pepperoni that we prefer. I can't remember it off the top of my head, and they only had turkey pepperoni. Trust me, turkey pepperoni is not as good as regular pepperoni. So they had this Hillshire Farm, never tried it, but I went ahead and got 2 packs. We make our own pizzas a lot, and so pepperoni is good for pizza, and that's also why I got the artichoke, because when we make our own pizzas, my husband makes pepperoni pizza and I make artichoke and onion pizza, so that's why I got these artichokes. They're also good on salad. And then we got some shrimp. This is uncooked shrimp because we are going to do a crab boil, but instead of crab, we're doing shrimp. So it's going to be the shrimp, the corn, a cut up onion, and then I have potatoes left over from 2 weeks ago I want to use up, and so that's why we are doing this quick shrimp boil. And then pickle and pimento loaf. I've mentioned this before, like this is my husband's favorite sandwich meat, and for the last since this whole pandemic started, we just can't find it. They don't keep it in stock, or they just aren't getting it in stock. And so they actually had it today. It's the first time in, I don't know, 4 months that I've seen it. So I did end up buying 4 packs. I read online that you can freeze sandwich meat and it's good for like a month or 2. So I did get it so I could freeze a couple for my husband to eat over the next month. And then I got some mozzarella cheese for me, American slices to go with his pickle loaf, Velveeta, because we just use cheese a lot. And these pierogies, I get these a lot. This is like my lunch snack, and my husband doesn't always eat lunch, but I do, and so that's why I get lunch food for me and not necessarily my husband. So this is my lunches. Chicken nuggets, this is my lunches. And then chicken breast, we eat chicken at least twice a week, so got more of those. Dots pretzels, I love them. They had antibacterial wipes. I went ahead and got 2 more because I am out. I'm on my last thing of antibacterial wipes. And then I just got some dish detergent. They have the best deal on packing tape. You know, I am also a reseller, so I had to stock up on packing tape. I got a coconut. It's just an inside joke for my husband. And then I got some more canning lids, just to be on the safe side, just to stockpile, because canning supplies are starting to dwindle down now that the growing season is almost over with. And that way I just have some extra supplies in case I decide to can something this winter. And then I got some more salad mixture. I don't normally pick up salad stuff that much, but when we were at Eckert's the other day, my husband picked up a specialty dressing, so you gotta get some lettuce to use the dressing on. And then these are my husband's favorite chips. And they usually have them on the way out, which is like the worst spot because you've already checked out. So they had them in a better spot, so I grabbed 4 bags. And that the kosher dill is for me, the barbecues, and the hot is for my husband. So that's it. That is what we got. And I will pretty much freeze everything except for this. This is our dinner tonight. So yeah, $235, and hopefully I will not have to go back for a month. I think we have a pretty good, we've got milk, we've got plenty of eggs, we've got bread. I think we basically have everything we could possibly need. And so we'll see if I can make it a month without going to the grocery store.